Hey, so what's going on, guys? My Driven Tech Reviews and welcome back to another video. So it's today that we start our project Satria Neo. So we're going to be getting fitted with new wheels and new tires. So I'll be downsizing from the 16-inch to 15-inch just because I'll be using semi-slick. Alright guys, so this is the final time you're going to be seeing this car in its stock form and stock rims. So I have a ton of mods already here, but today we're going to be just doing rims and tires. So the current original rims, they are 16, 195, 55, I believe 50, something like that. But I'm going to be going down to a 15 inch, so it'll be 195, 55, 50 on GT radio semi-slick. So yeah, pretty excited. So along with the tires and rims, we're going to be installing the Hackers TPMS. It's supposed to be installed on my Sirocco, but since I'm going to be using this for my toge and track days, this is better installed on this car. Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, so I'm at Westlake again. Same place I did the Beetle rims. And we got the Satria Neo here. Okay, so these are the tires. So GT radio, 195, 55, 15. So these are semi-slick. So I guess this will be really good to use. I never used this brand before, so this is actually my first time. My friends have used it and they said the performance is pretty good. Okay guys, so these are the new rims, SSR factory. So for the forged steel nuts, I got this Miteki HR38. Okay, this solid nuts, good quality stock. Okay, so they'll be giving me a free caliper spray as well for all the four. Alright guys, so we are done. You can see fitment is really on point. You can see right here, it's ET25, so it brings it out a little bit with the 195, 55, 15. Get really nice fitment. So I'm interested in trying these tires, but however with the original suspension, it's not going to work out because it's rubbing the fender right here. So I do have to get my coilovers installed and then it will be perfect. Alright, so thanks guys for watching. If you guys like this video, if you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.